guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I created a very dark look and it is completely matte minus the inner corner highlight, and I of course played around with the Kathleen Lights and ColourPop collab palette. I love this palette so much, and I created this look. I also was super excited because I did purchase a small version of the Farsali Unicorn Essence drops, and I tried those out in this video as well. So I will keep you posted on if they make my makeup last any longer. So if you're interested in seeing how I got this look, then you are in the right place at the right time. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already, and let's get started. So first of all, my skin is a mess. Second of all, my sweater has a stain on it, so I have to roll the sleeves. Third of all, my hair is a mess. And fourth of all, I've got a huge ulcer on the top of my lip and inside my mouth. This is gonna be a fun ride for the both of us. So before we get started, I did prime my eyelids and I used the Urban Decay Naked Skin Concealer in the color Fair Warm, and I set that down with the Maybelline Fit Me. This is the loose finishing powder in Fair Light. And I did put my brows on. I am wearing the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in soft brown, and I set those with hairspray. Y'all know that's my trick. So we're gonna jump into the eyes first. I really want to do a blue look, a matte blue look, and I am gonna use the Kathleen Lights Dream Street palette. This is my favorite palette right now, so lots of looks with it. So I'm gonna use that. So I did not do anything on the face yet because I'm anticipating a lot of fallout. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in. So first thing we're gonna do is we are gonna jump into a transition color, and I'm gonna first put that on the eyes. Today I'm gonna go in with this first color here, and this is Shooting Star. Then with that same brush, I'm going to go into the second color, which is this peachy color, and this is Magical. And I'm going to just put that sort of right over where I put the first color, Shooting Star. We're going to deepen the look today, and I'm going to go into this color here. This is Elfish. I'm going to take that on a smaller crease brush. Mine is a little dirty, and that's life. That's life. As you can see, I'm putting every single color on, and I'm using windshield wiper motions as I apply that color because I want the color to be all in the crease for this look. Going back in with that first brush that I used and a little bit of those two transition shades that we used, and I'm just going to blend everything together. I'm going to go into this matte blue shade, and this is the color Water Bearer. And that's what I'm going to apply all over my lid. And to do that, I'm going to just use a shader brush. Once that blue is on, there's a lot of fallout, don't worry. We're gonna clean it up. Once that's blue is on, I'm gonna go back into the dark brown color Elfish, and I'm gonna blend everything together. And we're gonna repeat these steps a couple of times to get the desired pigmentation that we'd like. blended the way that you want it to be blended, you can go in and apply an upper brow bone highlight. And today I'm going to go in with the color Moony. Look really messy, and that can deter from what the actual eye look looks like. But don't be alarmed, we're gonna go in with a makeup wipe and we're gonna clean everything up. So by using the makeup wipe, you can really create a pretty straight line on the sides, clean up any of that fallout that we had, and then you can get a really better idea of what the eyeshadow look really looks like. So we're not done with the eyes at all, not even close, but I do want to go in and put on some face makeup on, so then we can put some eyeliner and finish up the lower lash line, mascara, you name it. I am going to be trying out, I'm super excited. I got a small version of the Farsali Unicorn Essence drops. They are very popular in the YouTube and Instagram world, so I'm super excited. You can actually get a small bottle of this at your local Sephora. The regular size bottle I think is over $50, but this is only $20. You do get significantly less. You only get 0.34 fluid ounces, but I figured I don't want to spend $50 on something that I don't know if I'm gonna like it, so I'm super excited to try this. All right, we finally got it open. I'm so excited to try this. Oh my gosh, I hope it works. It's supposed to create a pretty tacky texture on your skin, so that way your makeup really sticks. I guess I could show you guys what it looks like. So I'm gonna take that. I'm gonna try to apply it like all the beauty gurus do. They like take a little bit. Wow, I look just like a beauty guru. I love it. And I'm just going to massage that into the skin. It smells good. It has a sweet scent. So if you're sensitive to scents, you may not like it, but it smells good. So now that that's on the skin, I'm gonna go in with my usual, this is my favorite foundation, the Too Faced Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation in the color Snow. And I'm just gonna apply one pump of that with a dampened beauty blender. Concealer, I'm going in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer in the color Light. I'm almost out of this. I'm going to try to scrape sort of every last bit of this that I can. Extra coverage, I'm going to go back in with that Naked Skin Urban Decay Weightless Complete Coverage Concealer, and I'm in the color Fair Warm. And this is a really good highlighting concealer, so I'm going to apply this sort of in the center of my face, on the bridge of my nose. All concealed, I'm going to set my under eye with the Laura Mercier Translucent Setting Powder. And then to set the rest of my face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. And what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to just dip my dampened beauty blender into the powder and press it into the skin. It's a new thing that I've been trying and it's been working really well for me, so I'm going to continue to do that. I'm very, very powdery. I'm gonna brush away the excess powder and really press everything into my skin with a big fluffy brush. Next, we're gonna bronze up the skin. I'm gonna be going in with the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and this is in the color Light. Go in with a little bit of blush as well, and this is the Lancome oil-free blush, and this is in the color Sheer Amorose. And we're going to zoom you back in so we can finish up the eyes. So first thing I'm going to do is I am going to put on some eyeliner. Today I'm going to be using the Kat Von D Tattoo Liner in Trooper. I'm going to be using that to apply a winged eyeliner. I'm also going to tightline, and today I'm using the ColourPop Gel Eyeliner in black to do so. And I'm also going to waterline as well, and I'm going to use another ColourPop gel liner, but this one is a more brown color, and it's Mr. Bing. And we are going to finish off the lower lash line by applying the same colors that we used on the top part of the eyes. We're just going to put them on the lower lash line. So the first color I'm going to go into is this really nice orangey color, Magical. And I'm going to apply that with a dense smudge brush. Using that same brush, I'm going to go into the color Elfish, which is that really dark brown shade. And then using this is a pencil brush. Oh, can't think of what it was. I'm going to go into the color Water Bearer, and I'm going to apply that. And I'm really going to try to focus that where the lower lash line is. And I'm going to just blend everything together, going back in with this smudge brush. And we're going to ditch falsies and pop on some mascara. Today I'm going to be using, this is the Clinique High Length Mascara. How could we almost forget an inner corner highlight? So I am going to highlight the inner corner of my eye, and I'm going to go back in with that color Moony. And I'm going to apply that in the inner corner. And I'm going to zoom you guys back out. And we're going to finish everything off with some highlight. And today I really want to dab into, this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Aurora Glow Palette. Or Glow Kit, I'm sorry. I want to tap into one of the colors from here. I personally have not used this yet, but I'm going to tap into the color. I'm actually going to mix two of the shades together. I'm going to mix Helia and Luna together. So Helia is kind of like a greenish shade, and Luna is sort of a purpley white shade. And to do that, I'm going to go in with a pretty precise brush. This is the tapered blending brush. I'm going to use that. And for lips, I'm going to go in with the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip, and this is in the color Aquarius Satin. Alright, so we threw on some lipstick and it's matte, and I feel like this look really calls for something glossy, so I'm gonna throw on the Steve Laurent lip gloss, and this is in the color Cafe. And to lock everything in place, I'm going in with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Alright, that completes this look. I hope you guys liked this little tutorial. If you did, again, make sure you give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you next time with another new video. Bye, guys!